What if the Earth was a square? Imagine waking up one day and realizing the Earth isn't round, but a giant square. Four flat surfaces, four sharp corners, and edges that divided the world like a massive cosmic box. At first, you might think only the shape changes. But no, everything changes. Sunlight, wind, oceans, even where humans can survive. Let's start with the biggest difference: gravity. On a round Earth, gravity feels the same almost everywhere. But on a square Earth, the whole story changes. In the center of each face, gravity feels normal, but near the edges, the ground starts to pull you inward again. It feels like walking on an invisible slope. Now imagine the oceans. Water gathers in the center of each face. Not in one big ocean, but in four massive square basins. The centers are wet and alive, but the edges dry. Well, empty. And the edges of a square Earth are trouble. When it hits them, breaks, falls, comes back, creating storms Earth round could never have. Even sunlight behaves differently. Sunrise hits like someone has switched on a lamp. Sunset falls like a switch turning off and no slow curve of light. Just sudden day, sudden night. Seasons would change too. Some faces stay warm longer. Others remain frozen for months. So where do humans live? Most likely in the center of each face, where water, warmth, and a stable gravity exist. Four giant continents, each one isolated. Edges become natural barriers. Crossing them is risky, dangerous, almost impossible. Ecosystems change too. Centers become green ones. Edges become deserts. Each face becomes its own world. Even the moon would behave the same. Tides become chaotic. Stronger in the center, weaker near the edges. And now, the biggest twist: civilization. Humans evolved separately on each face. Different cultures, different technologies, different histories. Maybe for thousands of years they never meet. A square Earth wouldn't just change geography. It would change humanity itself. Different worlds on one planet separated by dangerous borders. If Earth were a square, our past, or future, and even who we are might have been completely different. If you enjoyed this kind of content, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you won't miss tomorrow's video.